see how this goes in. Well, Ginger's got new shock bushes on her, which I had to build because I don't make them. New A-arm bushes, so they've all been replaced, as well as the sleeves. She's had a full service, and I've had, done a valve check on it as well, which was well worth doing it. That was, the valves were 5 thousandths too tight, so they cracked back quite a way. So I've also replaced the exhaust gasket, and I've wrapped it and done away with the old aluminium shield because I broke 2 of them already and they just don't last. Although admittedly, whilst doing it, I did find a bolt missing out the engine that holds the main exhaust up, so that probably didn't help. But handling now, it's so much sharper on the road. There's no roll in the corners, and she started up on the button every time I started her since she started, since I put it back together. And there's no overrun, twerking, banging on I think now, so the engine is definitely running smoother, much smoother. So yeah, it's all looking pretty good. So I thought I'd do a few little twisties and compare these 2 cameras I've got. Oh wow, yeah, she's a lot more pokey. A lot more pokey. So the power has come right back up. That makes a major difference. You can feel that on acceleration. I just have to be careful around here. There's a lot of horses around here normally. She's accelerating really smooth, straight up the 55. And I've just washed her, so I ain't going down any fen lanes today. Wow, yeah, that is so much smoother. Huge improvement. Let's go and find some bumps. I live on the edge of the fence, so that ain't hard. And that's just the road. Oh, there's a massive difference with heat on the right hand side. It's virtually gone. I normally have to wear insulated trousers for the heat coming off of the right hand side of the casing, but it's literally no heat there at all now. That's a massive difference. And she rides these bumps with no flapping about in the steering at all, whereas before it was all over the place. So this is a massive improvement. It's like riding a new quad again. Good old girl. I don't think she's got quite enough power wheelie, but oh, get some air though. Handling is 100% better. I had to put a new drive dog in the steering not long ago. The initial one got chewed right up. So when these get heavy on the steering, there's a little star-shaped drive dog in there, and that does seem to pulverise them a bit. Every 550 I know has had to replace it at least once, and that makes again a huge difference to the handling on these. It's nearly flat on the corners now. Yeah, this is an A road for the fens. Four before boys are going out.